Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mira and my channel name is Learning with Earning. Welcome to my video. I hope you are fine. I am a YouTuber and also welcome to my YouTube Learning with Earning. Friends, I make a relief video on the topic of money making site. If you like it, subscribe to the channels and click on the bell icon. Thank you. This is my new project BitTaxi. Taxi is blockchain basis and we get start. BitTaxi, world first taxi applications blockchains payment possibility. BitTaxi tokens and white paper. Join us on Facebook, Twitters, Instagram, and YouTube. BitTaxi token ICO is live now. Join pre-sales and what BitTaxi project? BitTaxi project is a cryptocurrency payment taxi system, and Android, iOS, and web app are available. BitTaxi projects aim to bring a new payment models to the taxi systems in the changing and developing worlds. What is BitTaxi tokens? I inform you, and BitTaxi it is the basic products of the BitTaxi projects. The online payment and services sectors is more and more in our lives with the advancement of technology every day. The BitTaxi projects sets out to bring together these industry potentials and make our life easier with the blockchain's base and digital payments methods to bring cryptocurrencies to real life. The aim of BitTaxi is to provide a payment systems with cryptocurrencies thanks to a simple and infrastructures. BitTaxi token is a token taken that working on Binance Smart Chains and traders P2P and peer-to-peer. BitTaxi is a platform that can scale and facilitate trade between the customers and the services providers. BitTaxi token is a BSC based cryptocurrency that is the Binance Smart Chains network. Thanks to BitTaxi tokens, and users can pay taxi fees with the cryptocurrencies that they own. Consumers, developer, advertisers, and research. How does BitTaxi tokens works? BitTaxi token is a payment platform. It is aimed that traditional payment systems adopt to today's technology and manage these payment systems from a center. Traditional payment systems consist of price, money, and debit cards. When you want to pay with the debit card, you can somehow make it through a centralized institutions, or you may have to look for an ATM to pay when you do not have cash on you. When the taxi is called from the BTaxi applications, informations can be seen such as destinations and alternative roads time in the way the taxi drivers take them to their destinations without defrauding theme, and the customers cannot negotiate with the taxi drivers. Payment events is made from within the applications. You can read it, and how is BitTaxi token spinning through done, or how to become a BitTaxi token owners. BitTaxi can BitTaxi token can only be acquired by users who fulfill the conditions of participations and do not violate the rules in the airdrop reference called scales, pre-sales, and sales process. After these transactions, it can be traded on crypto money exchange and sent to other wallets. BitTaxi tokens cannot be produced additionally, and the number of tokens cannot be 1 million, and total supply of BitTaxi token 1 billion. BitTaxi token details. BitTaxi token offers 5M and soft cap public BitTaxi tokens 5M dollars and hard cap 10 millions. BitTaxi tokens distributed BitTaxi token sale. And token allocations for forecast. Distributions, funding allocations, and 40% product development, 12% business development, and 20% marketing, 10% legal and regulations, 6% partner and investors, and 8% operationals, and 4% contingency. White papers and read over documents. Here is our full documents and that help you to understand about us, white papers and open pages. Our technology services valid today 8745.44 and market status 0.44. My valid market top 5 45%, and easy to buy and sell with taxi tokens, the best taxi app, easy to communicate and safe and secure. Bitaxi tokens roadmaps 2020 November idea, December market research, and January planning and team assembles. February 2021 Bitaxi token created. 2021 March stock market interview, and 2021 ST1 exchange negotiations, and coin market and coin gecko applied, and 2022 exchange contract signings, and 2022 first listening exchange, and Q2 second listening exchange, third listening exchange, and fourth listening exchange publishing applications. Our roadmap taxi goals: Hail taxi and DD taxi, taxi and line taxi, Ubers, Bolt, Curb, frequently asked questioning, and below we are providing a bit of Bitaxi tokens and cryptocurrencies and a few others. If you have any other questions, please get in touch using the contact form below. What is Bitaxi tokens? And Bitaxi is a basic product. Is Bitaxi projects online payment and services sectors is more and more in our lives with the advancement of technology every day. The Bitaxi token projects sets out to bring together these industry potentials and make our lives easier with the blockchains based digital payment methods to bring cryptocurrencies to real life. How can I buy Bitaxi tokens and how can I participate in the Bitaxi token sale? Contact Bitaxi team address 74A Street.E 11 to RJ, London and UK. London, UK. Mobile number and email address info alpha bitaxi.co. Join us on telegrams, your names, your emails, and write a message. Send it, and contact us on Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitters, and YouTube. Bitaxi, yours very on taxi. You're very on taxi. Mhm. Please, viewers, like my video and comment my video and share it, please. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.